Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP tip 36. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you a very common use case in ABAP to uppercase a string. So especially within this program we have defined one variable with this data type, and it's very important that within this data type here we have a domain in use that is case sensitive. So basically value that is saved or set to this variable with this data type will be saved as you set the value. So if there are lower or upper letters, then this information will be saved in there. And basically if you are not using this checkbox in the domain, so then it will always be uppercase, and then of course there is no need to use this ABAP statement that I'm showing you right now. But for the domains and data types that are case sensitive, and then it could be useful to uppercase, because basically if you have, for example, two different variables and you would like to compare the string and you would like to ignore the case sensitivity, so then you can uppercase both values and then you can see if the content is the same. And to do this there are two approaches. So let's say there's an old approach and there's a new and modern approach starting from ABAP 7.40. So right now I would like to show you the older, the classic version. So of course if I would execute this, then here it will be cut off. But basically here you can see the three possibilities. And if I would like to uppercase this value, then what I can do is I can use translate and then calling the variable and then to uppercase. So, and then I'm using Shift F1 for pretty printer, Control F2, Control F3 for syntax check and activating. And then let's test this. And here you can see that it is uppercase. So this is the first one, using translate to uppercase. Or what you also can do is, and as mentioned from 7.40, you can use a function and it's to upper. So it's simple as it is. And then here you have to pass in the information. And if you would like then to return the uppercase information to the same variable, then you can just set it there. So let's do a syntax check, activate, and then do this once again. And here we can see once again that this is an uppercase. So this is a very common use case. So if you have any questions left, put them in the comment section. And guys, there's still a lot of useful tips and tricks videos about ABAP left. So there are 64 left. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.